Full file replacement. As the name says it all, full file replacement will enable you to completely replace the already lodged STP file, including the latest pay event files after that date. Full file replacement is only recommended if the incorrect lodged STP needs to be adjusted fully along with the total payroll amount and PAYG withholding amount, which in effect will change the W1 and W2 on the bars if and when data matching is performed by ATO. And it can only be done once for each lodgement period. For this reason, update pay event is recommended to be used to correct general STP reporting errors. To do a full file replacement, go to My Lodgements, History. Open the STP lodgement report you would like to replace. Go to Action and select Full File Replacement. This will move the lodged STP report from history back to saved reports as a draft status. Click Edit to open the report. Make the required changes in total gross and total PAYG, and for each employee record, under Actions, click Edit to make necessary year-to-date pay detail changes and save. Make a declaration and proceed to relodge it to ATO. Thank you.